What's in your mind, Fleadh? What do you think of?
Just to win the world title and take it back home to Ireland from Madison Square Garden.
Seán Mannion was an Irish boxer fighting in Boston. He had no profile. And here was an Irish boxer looking to win a world title fight for the first time since 1949.
There was always a defiant streak that ran through South Boston, and it was wrapped up in its Irishness.
To have these individuals in the neighborhood who were the ultimate archetypal fighter, they represented who we were.
Seán was so mentally tough. He was a natural.
Seán didn't fear anybody. Nobody could hurt him.
Young Hussein on Sparrow, he became a home. Because he was a but not he's still a Fleadh Whitey Bulger.
I was always striving to do better, whether that be in boxing or in the mafia.
I think we bought 60,000 rounds of AK ammunition from Czechoslovakia, the good stuff.
In féidir é rá an chuaigh Russia. Tá mai cheappa go bina heas go dean go an bailachar. Reit agus, teagóirt agus ceann 19
You only get one shot at it, and you're there to make the money. Unfortunately, I don't think Seán saw it like that.
When he fought for the World Championship, Seán Mainnín was fighting for all of us.